rappers getting happy off the streams that pay you pennies. That's a nightmare from a dream. Y'all put the work in for a 10-minute high. That's a fiend, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Hey, Starz, Coleman, King Midas, everything I touch is gold. I'm in LA, chillin', mixing, sharp, lotto with the toad. If this music shit don't work, it's gonna always be a stove. I invest in the drug trade, Stone it, let's make a toast. Body everybody on your roster. Shoot up your interviews and dump a whole clip at your concert. I'll still be getting money when y'all niggas done rapping. Y'all excited over numbers, I get a thrill from the action. And who really putting in work? My money speak for itself. Drip Jesus cook in the church. Starz the next Dave Chappelle. Fish telling the great Chevelle. Infidel living well. Yo, Starz, stop playing with these for the few ass niggas. Trying to sell records without paying they dues, you know what I mean? Man, get to the back of the bus. Lord, wipe the right out of history. Starz only write calligraphy. Poison inside my delivery. Leaving everything rotisserie. Look what they did to me. I prayed to them crosses, Lord. My feet is exhausted. Y'all niggas getting extorted. All of my drugs are imported. Watch me whip it. All I need is a pot and a faucet. I'm low in the field. Destroy and rebuild. He stare at the floor when you talk, you know he ain't real. They fumble the ball when they come to the drill. The devil wear product, my jacket is sealed. Trench coat with a weapon concealed. Starz Coleman, he the king of the hill. Walk up, then I'm banging the steel. Yup, my motto's a centerfold. Starz Coleman a minutes, my nephew need winter clothes. So I'm back at this bitch's stove. The neighbors can smell it, just make sure the window closed. Balenciaga on my body, these niggas wear Tommy Hilfiger, Kenneth Cole. Never compare me to them. I live in the clouds, these niggas is under the rim. Talking about what they gon' do, but they never making moves. And they never tell the truth, these niggas is weird as fuck. Yeah, these niggas is definitely weirdos, Starz. But you got that $1 billion willpower. You gon' outwork these niggas until they die. Run with it's time for the Titans to clash. We about to crash. My presence erasing my past. Don't gotta talk tough. Niggas be knowing my past. I did it all without a mask. I'm rich. Fly to Cali out the flip. You already know I'm a bop. 15 to P. That block won't be selling itself. Soon as I open the shop, we on the hunt. Wearing rollies just a stunt. Baby, come up with the mob. Is this what you want? Kicking and waving the pump. Open the safe and slide.
I light up the gas off of the stove. You chose what you chose. Like a cussy, you froze, snowed and blown half of your nose. Starz and Delgado, we part of the real cloth. Design and clean. Haters invaded our space, whoa. I hate your jeans, everybody frontin', so I judge them by the closet. Got hella pieces, but ain't buy no fucking rockets. Seen a bunch of singles when you dug inside your pockets. Man, get your dusty ass out of here. I don't force like a boss, I'm doing the hiring. These niggas be lying, man, we at war, I'm moving and firing. You ducking and diving, starting up in the slums, catching stitches in your gums. Fuck is you dumb? 50 shots so loud, even witnesses are run, nigga, we run, yeah.